The second pericyclic reaction is cycloaddition reaction. Can be defined as different unsaturated partners are involved in addition. Where cycloaddition reaction is a pericyclic reaction in which two new sigma bonds are formed between two ene bonds, resulting is cyclic product. For example, two pi electrons of ene reacts with 2 pi electrons of ene. It gives cyclobutane, where two new bonds are formed. So this reaction is 2 plus 2 cycloaddition because of a cycle is formed. And one more example. 4 pi electrons of 1,3-butadiene reacts with ene. It has 2 pi electron. In presence of light, it gives cyclohexene. Here also two new sigma bonds are formed. It is 4 plus 2 cycloaddition because of 4 pi electrons of 1,3-butadiene, 2 electrons of ene. So that's why it is known as 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Now we are explaining. In cycloaddition, any unsaturated partner develops two new sigma bond at same phase or side called suprafacial partner. It is denoted by S. Suppose it is a double bond. Upper phase or lower phase, two new sigma bonds formed. It is called suprafacial. It is denoted by S. It is upper phase, it is lower phase of the double bond or unsaturation, where it is equivalent to syn or cis. And also in cycloaddition, any unsaturated independent partner develops new sigma bonds at the termini in opposite direction or opposite phases partner called antarafacial. It is denoted by A. It is equal to trans or anti. You see, it is double bond, upper phase and lower phase. One new bond is formed in lower phase and another new bond is formed in the upper phase. It is called antara. The same case appears in this figure. Same side lobes involved with respect to carbon-carbon single bond, that is suprafacial partner. So two atomic orbitals having pi bond, upper phase called supra. The atomic orbitals at the termini linking with pi electrons, they also exist in same side. It is also called suprafacial. Opposite sides of lobes are involved with respect to carbon-carbon sigma bond, that is antarafacial, is denoted by A. If two atomic orbitals at the termini of compound, one atomic orbital forms new sigma bond in the upper phase and second sigma bond form in the lower phase is called antarafacial. It is denoted by A. The same case is appear in this figure. Cycloaddition reactions are having following four types of configurations. They are supra-supra cycloaddition. It is denoted by SS. Second one is supra-antara cycloaddition. It is denoted by SA. And third one is antara-supra cycloaddition. It is represented by AS. And fourth one is antara-antara cycloaddition. It is represented by AA. Now we are going to first cycloaddition, SS cycloaddition, supra-supra cycloaddition. The two atomic orbitals are the unsaturated system at the termini. The lobes at same phase called supra-supra cycloaddition. And in this diagram also, the lobes of the atomic orbitals will form two new bonds on the same side, means upper phase, called suprafacial. It is supra-supra cycloaddition. And in second case, supra-antara facial cycloaddition. Suprafacial means the lobes having same side will form new bond on the lower phase. These two atomic orbitals of the pi system, one new sigma bond will form on the upper phase and another sigma bond will form in the lower phase. It is called antara. It is supra and antara facial cycloaddition. The same case arises in this figure. The two lobes are same side. One lobe is upper face, another lobe is lower face. It is also called antara, supra-antara facial cycloadhesion, and third one is antara-supra cycloadhesion. In this diagram, one lobe is in lower face and another lobe is in upper face. It is called antara. In this compound, the two lobes are in same face, so that is called, it is supra, antara-supra cycloadhesion. Similarly, we can explain antara-antara cycloadhesion because of the lobes exist in opposite side or opposite faces. So that's why it is known as antara-antara cycloadhesion. So these four kinds of cycloadhesions are possible for pericyclic reaction. And now we are going to explain the cycloadhesion reactions, where in cycloadhesion, in supra-supra and in antara-antara adhesion, number of products are more compared with suprafacial and antarafacial or antarafacial suprafacial adhesion. Now we are taking one example. 2-butene reacts with 1,2-dicyanoethane. It gives 4 products. They are, first one, cis is obtained between CnCn, and trans is obtained between CH3Cn, and cis is obtained between CH3CH3, and trans is obtained between CH3 and Cn. So it is the first product of the above reactant. It is the second product. All cis compounds formed, and in the third conformer, all cis isomers are formed. But in the fourth case, 2 cis, 2 trans isomers are formed for the above reactants, where 1 and 2 with 2 cis and 2 trans, and 1 and 4 are 2 cis and trans isomer, but in the second and third conformers with 4 cis are all cis. Now we are taking 4+2 cycloadhesion, that is Diels order reaction. 4 pi electrons reacts with 2 electron. It gives 2 different products. They are 1 and 2 sets. Carbon numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whenever diene participates in S addition, inner groups must be cis. Alternatively, outer groups also cis. In first compound, 4 chiral centers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 chiral centers. If C1 is equal to C4, first set of stereo centers. And if C5 is equal to 6, these are second set of stereo isomers. Total 2 sets of isomers possible for the above compound. Maximum 2 sets of stereo isomers. N is equal to 2. Now we have one formula. Number of stereo isomers can be calculated by 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 to the power of 2, where n is equal to 2 is equal to 4 isomers. 1 and 2 are the diastereomers. In Diels order addition, if diene participates as antara partner, 2 inner groups relationship trans, 2 outer groups relationship also trans. We are taking another example. 4 pi electrons and 2 electrons. So it is also 4+2 cycloadhesion. So we have 4 cases: supra-supra, supra-antara, antara-supra, antara-antara. 4+2 cycloadhesion. Pi means pi electrons. So in the supra-supra addition, we have cis configuration. In the supra-antara configuration, we have trans isomer. In the antara-supra configuration, we have cis conformer. In the antara-antara, we have trans isomer. And one more example for the 4+2 cycloadhesion. 4+2 cycloadhesion, 4 pi electrons and 2 pi electrons in this compound, 4 pi electrons in this compound. Supra-supra cycloadhesion, supra-antara cycloadhesion, antara-supra cycloadhesion, antara-antara cycloadhesion. I already told, in supra-supra cycloadhesion, In antara-antara cycloaddition, more number of products are formed compared with supra-antara and antara-supra cycloaddition. In supra-supra cycloaddition, we have two compound. In supra-antara compound, one compound. In antara-supra, we have one compound. In the antara-antara, we have two compounds. So in these compounds, trans. In this compound, cis, trans, cis isomers are possible for the above cycloaddition. So this is regarding examples of cycloadditions. Thank you.